Hey everybody, Kyle here with the Cast Around crew. We're out today at Pennant River again today. We were here yesterday as well. I'm here by myself today, a little solo trip. Had the weekend free, everyone else could only do Saturday. So we're out here at the same spot we started at yesterday. Already seen 2 fish jump. We're gonna try the area out here again. Yesterday we only made it to about a quarter way of the river. So I'm gonna kind of go past that, kind of get down to the end of the river where we were gonna go originally, but we ended up hitting a lot of fish along the way and kind of see what the conditions are like down there. See if there might be any more big trout lurking around down there. We're gonna start off at the spot we got here earlier, try to get one under the belt, kind of get the confidence built up again, and then we're gonna head out. There's a little duck flying here. Beauty. Absolutely beautiful day, almost as beautiful as yesterday. Same temperature, same sun conditions. It's gonna get a little bit cloudier earlier in the day, but there's no wind at this moment at all, so it's perfect conditions right now. So we're gonna hop into fishing here and see if we can get one on pretty quick here. So I already seen about 2 or 3 fish jump right in the same area we were at last time. Got one jump right here, one here, and another one just jumped to surface right over there as I was talking. So they're hitting top flies again right now. I want to try to do a little wet fly action though. B-Mac was in this corner yesterday. He was using a wet fly, caught 2 up. There's one right there. So let's see if we can get one to sink down a little bit. We may end up switching to the dry fly pretty quick here. There's a bug right here flying, might get hit. So they're aggressive off the bat already. So it's around, got here around 11 o'clock, about 15 minutes to gear up. So I'm around 11:30 now. The water's still kind of cold from them overnight. Yesterday, by the end of the day, it was pretty warm and they were getting a lot more aggressive, so. So I didn't last long in the wet fly. They're pretty active, aggressive, so we give the fish what they want. I'm gonna throw on a little new leader here. Another one's getting pretty short, putting on a new leader here, and I'm gonna attach a little dry fly and see if we can get some action. Got a bite, good strike, nice size one. It looked like just missed it. Fish. There we go. Oh, just a little guy. Put our hands here. There he goes, back into the Mercs. There we go, a nice little one on board. First one of the day. Oh, it's a good strike. Just missed it. So I'm under the bridge here at the start of the river. We didn't fish this yesterday, but we passed it. But there's tons of trout jumping underneath here. There's like 5 or 6 all just sitting here in the current waiting for something to come up. I had a bite, but missed it on it. It's kind of hard to see in here too, so. Just had another bite of my fly there. They're all jumping right here in the middle. They're funneling out the bugs that are kind of floating down or getting caught. And well, the fish under the bridge have defeated me. There's some fish here too. Picked 3 flies out. First 2 were good float flies. Got a couple bites. 2 bites and misses already here at the spot B-Mac was at last night. They're very aggressive, but they're not too keen on, you know, grabbing the fly. They make an attempt, but you know, it's a half-assed strike. Oh, there we go. Little one. That's the smallest one we've caught in here since. He's not even fit in the net. No wonder they're not hitting the flies. They're an inch long. Pretty little guy. Nice colors. When they get real young like this, their colors are really dark and vibrant. Shot to the there we go. Okay, so we'll let this guy go. Thanks for playing, little guy. There he goes, back down with his friends. Just a little micro trout fishing. It's always fun. Ooh, that's a decent one. Where's my net? Where's my net? Oh, that's a good size one. Oh, come on. No. There we go. Put him right in the tip of the jaw. Not too bad. Yeah. That is a beauty right there. Nice size, deep color. I'm definitely an eater, but I'm torn if I want to eat anything today or keep anything. We haven't yet, but I'll let this guy go, let him back in. Give him some water here while I set up. It's a little deep. Oh, yeah. Don't step there. It's about 4 feet deep. That's what I'm talking about. Nice open area, cast out. Big old duck or something sitting right there, having a little bath. I just saw a giant fish jump over by there that duck is, so I might not stay here too long because I'm not getting any bites or anything. Oh, got a bite there. Little guy, nothing crazy. Missed it like usual. If you can see that, there's a giant school of minnows right there swimming around. Ooh, there we go. There you go, nice little female. She might be able to slip through the net, so I gotta be careful with her. There she goes. Did you see that? I saw that whole thing. Oh, there's a big one there. the fly off the leader. Got flies in his mouth. I don't want to lose him because I'll lose that fly. Huh, there you go. Beautiful. All right, little girlie, be free. So I caught and landed another one. The camera wasn't rolling when I did. Unfortunately, just another little guy, so. Nothing big, but they're fun to catch. Pretty little things. So guys, I think I'm gonna end it there. We've been out probably for about 7 hours. A lot of action today, a lot of trout jumping, a lot of aggressive bites, a lot of strikes, a lot of misses, and that's just the way it goes. So we caught quite a few. I'm not exactly how sure. If I had to guess, I'd say probably about 6, maybe 5. We got one real nice one, nice dark colored male. It was definitely a keeper. But we decided not to keep them today and let them go. Seems like there's good variety in this little river here. There's a lot of smaller ones, a lot of bigger ones, a lot of female and males. So must be a sign that the river's healthy and there's a lot of sustenance nearby, like bugs and other wildlife, and it just gives an overall health state to the river here. We'll have some more videos coming out soon. I got one more week of work and then I'm on vacation for a bit to do some more fishing and travel a little bit outside the city more and kind of try to find different places. So stay tuned for that. Probably about a week or so we'll be heading out on my own, be solo trips. We'll try to get the boys out when we can, but they don't got vacation the same days that I do. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Thank you everyone for watching. See you guys in the next one.